how to delete Snapchat account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account within the Snapchat app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Snapchat app, then select your profile icon in the top left of the app to go to your profile. After that, select the gear in the top right to open up the settings. Once in the settings, under shortcuts, select delete account. If for some reason you cannot find delete account, check the description because I do have a direct link to it on their website. So you can just click that and open it up. This also works on any device. So go ahead and select delete account. It's going to open up the browser inside the Snapchat app. We just need to log into our account. Once you get logged in, you'll be brought to this screen right here where all you need to do is just go ahead and enter your password one more time. And then as you can see, it's going to deactivate your account first for 30 days. If you do not reactivate your Snapchat account within the 30 days by simply logging back in, then your account will be permanently deleted. So just don't log in for 30 days. And after 30 days, your Snapchat account will be permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.